Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2009 Ram HD trucks. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the bed, drop the spare tire, remove the spare tire hanger and clear any lines in the work area. Step 3. Cut off the factory spare tire crossmember. If the frame rail where the crossmember installs needs repair, do so now. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Step 5. Align the replacement crossmember, ensuring the open ends of the tubing are facing the front of the frame. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the crossmember in place, then weld all edges fully. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Use the included M8 hardware and a 13mm socket to reinstall the spare tire hanger. Reinstall the brake and fuel lines, then reinstall the spare tire and lower the bed.